Are you looking for more productive and effective ways to get shit done in your career and actually feel accomplished once you're done doing those things? You know, like you're not just checking off things on a never-ending to-do list. Then this is the video for you. What's up, my good vibe DJ crew? You know how we do here on the Don't Kill a Vibe channel. If you're not familiar or you're new to the channel, we talk about some unorthodox ways of dealing with vibe-killing situations we sometimes experience within the industry, as well as networking, branding yourself, marketing, how to get on DJ lineups for festivals, all that good stuff, and then everything in between. So let's get to it. The 3 things that I do so that I can have more effective, productive days where I actually feel like I've accomplished something. Whether you're a parent, a stay-at-home parent, or you're doing a 9-to-5 job, this is going to work for you. All right? Number 1, plan. Usually when I'm creating that plan, I'm creating it the day before. I'm thinking of 3 specific things that I need to get done that would really help propel my career that much farther. So, for example, I write articles for Distracting News TV as well as cdmedm.ca. So I know I need to build content for that. Maybe I'm going to have that as one of the things that I want to do the following day. Maybe I know because I've got interviews happening this weekend that I want to make sure that I've created questions for my DJs and sent them out in advance so that they can prep. That's another thing I'm putting on my list. The second thing that I do to make sure that I have more efficient days also happens the day before the day. I prep. And prepping can look like a few different things. Prepping can look like having my kitchen clean so that when I wake up in the morning, I can have my coffee, have my breakfast, things are good to go. I don't have to do the dishes and all that stuff. It could also mean having snacks ready for my kid, having the diaper bag packed and ready to go so that once he gets picked up later on that night, everything's good. We're ready. Another thing of prepping would be something like if I was promoting an upcoming DJ spotlight or mixtape, what I want to make sure that I'm doing is I have, my folder on Google Drive that's going to have the little blurb and the picture that are going to go up. So when I'm on my social media the next day promoting that thing, I just copy, paste, go. Third thing I do, I wake up before my kid wakes up. For you, it might be waking up before everybody else in the household. For you, it might be waking up an hour or 2 earlier than you would before you get ready to go to work. Now, I know what a lot of y'all are going to say. Ew. I hear you. But sometimes that's the only way we can make things work. For other people, it is staying up late and working on these things. For me, I know I'm the sharpest in the morning. So if I get up early, then I know I'm going to have that creative flow going and I'm not going to have any interruptions, like my toddler running around and being like, Mom, Mom, Mommy, Mom, Mama. All right, you get it. Another thing is, the more you get into that habit of waking up early, then you're going to bed earlier, so it's not so difficult to do, as well as that prep and planning the night before actually gets your brain excited about the next day. When you plan the thing that you want to do the next day and you've prepped for it, you get excited. You're like, hey, when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do that. And so when you wake up, instead of pushing that snooze button, it's a lot easier to get up. Also, you can use the 5-second rule, which Mel Robbins has an amazing book on called the 5-second rule, where she talks about the science behind why this works. You're counting backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you start getting to action. You get up out of your bed. You start walking over to the bathroom to brush your teeth or whatever it is you do first thing in the morning that, we don't need to know about. Hope you found this one helpful. What do you guys want to hear about on the channel? Next week, I'm actually going to be talking about how to make your Facebook page work for you. And I'm not just talking about scheduling stuff on the back end, which I will show you how to do in the video, but have a positive experience. Because a lot of us, we go on Facebook and we're like, oh my God, what is going on in the world today? I can't even. I've got some tips for you.